Made in Britain. It's more than just a label. It's a promise of quality, trust, and excellence. At the Safety Letterbox Company, everything we design and manufacture is made right here in the UK. That means higher standards, closer control, and real confidence in every product we deliver. Since 1986, we've built a reputation for secure, reliable mailbox systems that stand the test of time. From bespoke designs to fire-rated solutions, every product is made with care, precision, and attention to detail. Working closely with fire services, architects, and safety professionals, our goal is simple: to create and deliver design-led solutions that are safe, practical, and built to last. Buying British also means supporting local jobs and skills. Around 90% of our supply chain is based along the M4 corridor, helping us reduce waste, lower environmental impact, and invest in sustainable manufacturing. We're proud to work with local suppliers who share the same values. Our products are trusted by builders, developers, and fire services across the UK and around the world. Through partnerships with companies like Graham Construction and Abloy UK, we deliver solutions that are tested, proven, and trusted. You'll find our products installed throughout the UK as well as internationally in Australia, New Zealand, the USA, and Dubai, just to name a few. From our family beginnings to becoming a trusted national brand, we're proud to design, manufacture, and deliver everything right here in Britain. And that commitment to quality, safety, and local communities remains as strong as ever. The Safety Letterbox Company, proudly British.